Gambero. What's one, baby? Guys, this is my sea fish. And now I wash all of them. I bought these prawns. Or I don't know what they are calling it. Is it prawns or shrimp? This is what I bought from the supermarket yesterday. So I just need to remove their leggies and their handies. This is what I will be cooking for all day, for his birthday, for his special day. I want to make him to feel comfortable. I'm cleaning it. I'm removing their hands and their leg. And the thing is, me trying to surprise Obi. It is not Obi that wants to surprise me. I don't understand. I wish that I did not call him now to know how is everything, because I called him this morning to wish him happy birthday around almost 7 a.m. Then I told him that I'm going to disturb him throughout today because it is a special day, so he decided to take off to come home today. When I called him, he said he's driving home. He's on the highway. I said, really? You're on the highway? Coming home without letting me know? Oh, nah, my work has to double, you know. This one does not have to clean a lot, but let me remove this zapazapa leg. This is it. Oh, canokia. We call it canokia. Hey, there are a lot now. Hey, sea fish, very yummy. Fish they smell, Fish they smell well. Okay, this is cape sante, another sea fish. Inside is pink. Look at the sand. Look at the sand inside. So sandy. Another fishy. This is octopus. Octopus. This is octopus. This is sepia. Sea fish, very big. I have to clean it, remove this high ball. And this is their eyes. This is their eyes that they used to see. Their eyes. Okay. This one, I cannot remove it now. So, we are done washing all our fish. Everything is clean. I've washed all the old fish.